eBay jackpot or scam? This right here, $20 roll from eBay that I was beaten on the auction, and I have ended up winning for $1,053, 20 coins in them. If they all uncirculated, they start from around $50. So the CC starts from $200, what I heard. So let's open it up and see if they all uncirculated, and hopefully we'll get few or at least one more CCs. A lot of people talk about that they've been searched through and they see them on purpose at the end, a very nice coin, so people would go on auction and go on a bidding war and they get some good money off of it. But for 20 coins I only paid $1,000 for it, so if at least each coin is circulated and $50 each, that's $1,000 in itself. But there's already a CC end. Let's see if this CC end super rare. Actually, I'm gonna save it till the end to see if this CC end is actually pretty vintage. I know I'm wearing these gloves, kind of cotton, but they're way more comfortable than the ones I was trying to use earlier. So I'm gonna try to open it. Does it look like it was professionally rolled? I don't know. Looks pretty nice to me. But so far, so good. Most of them seems to be circulated. I mean uncirculated. Very, very shiny. Look at that. But we'll see by opening it and setting it down, and we're gonna look at one at a time. Let's see what we got here. Also in the next video of this roll, I'm gonna take it to a coin store, try to sell it, see how much they're going to give me. Hopefully I will get my money back. They said here 1980, and this is super shiny like a mirror. Check this out. Looks like it's an S. Wow, 1980 S. That's a really good start, and it's such a good quality. At least $50 over there. I see on eBay they sell them $50 all day. I mean 1880, right? Did I say that? Okay, this one is 1921. Okay, let's flip it over. No mint mark, but still very good quality coin, uncirculated, so easily $50 right here. Okay, did we get a CC right here? Because that's what we are looking for. Carlson City. This is another S. Very nice. Some of the S's are pretty rare too. 1881. We'll look this up later. The S's. Okay, what we got here? Nothing. No mint mark. Ooh, don't want to dab this. 1885. Ooh, look how shiny it is. Mirror shiny. It's nice and circulated. I mean, there is a little bit of scuffs here and there, but that's normal. Still very, very good quality. And there is no mint mark. 1900. So around $50. Okay. No mint mark on this one. 1921. Another one. Pretty good quality again. All of them so far uncirculated. That's nice. 1887. No mint mark. $50. 1898. Oh, so most likely another $50. They start from $50. I'm gonna take it to a coin store and we'll see how much money they will give me for all these coins. This is 1898, and that way we can tell did I overpay or not. 1888. Pretty good quality and no mint mark. I'm surprised to even get two S's. Wow, look at that one. This is mint. This is so shiny, insane. That's a good quality coin though. 1921. Another 1921. No mint mark on the other side. Okay, we got it here, no mint mark again. Good quality again. 1887. Let's see what we got here. No mint mark again. 1888. I like that, at least whole bunch of different type of dates. That way we can fill up the book quickly. Okay, another very shiny one. 18.99. Very good quality. And this is $50. We're looking for Carson City or CC in the bucket here. None. Another 1921. 1887. No mint mark. No mint mark. 1886. This is probably the worst quality compared to this one. Look how shiny this one is compared to this one, you know what I mean? But both pretty awesome. Okay, I'm not gonna show you the date of the last one. This is another O. The last one is a CC, I already know that. That was the ender. Looks like we get only one CC. And let's see if it's any rare date. 1884. The camera cannot even focus. It's shining so much. Very nice. Okay. I can't wait to take it to a coin store to appraise it. And you see it says CC in the back. Right there. So let's look it up. How much this coin go for in the book, and then we'll look them up recently what it sells for on eBay. 1884 CC, let's say it's MS64 right here, $250, MS63 $215, MS60 $210, and of course maybe it's AU 50, but I don't think so. It has to be at least MS60, so around $200. But that's just a book. Silver goes up and down, everything changes so quickly right now. So let's see what they sell in the last month, this exact coin on eBay. This one's selling pretty good. 724, which is today. 235, 724, 235, and it's pretty much similar quality. 230, 277, and there's like 3 of them at the same time. 225, and yeah, there's some graded ones. So yeah, about $230, $200 all day you can sell them. Look, this one was sold for $300. Could be a little bit better quality, and the graded ones, of course, is going to be more expensive. All the other ones pretty much around $50, maybe a little bit more, depends if some of them has a way better quality than the other ones. Like this one, I wouldn't even know what's on with it. Almost perfect, but I'm sure it's just MS65, but some of them maybe MS63, so it could be few bucks up or down. So let's calculate. 19 coins were pretty much average. We can sell them for 50 bucks around there, up or down. So 950, I paid 1053, so I got lucky. Usually they sell for a lot more. Plus CC, let's say plus, let's say 220, $1,170. Yes, I actually made money. That was very good deal in my opinion, buying it for just $1,050. But did I hit a jackpot? No. If I pay for this thing like $1,500, it's an auction. You guys don't have to bid it that high. Only look for deals. That way you can still get a good deal. But I really was hoping to get another CC. But you know what? I could keep the ones that I don't have for my collection, and the rest of them sell and buy another one. I don't keep the same coins. I don't really stack those ones. I just want one little collection of them. That's it. But yeah, in this case, it wasn't a jackpot. It wasn't a scam because I didn't overpay it, but also I didn't get any more CCs. So I don't know if they have been searched to or not. We'll just have to do a few more rolls to find out. 1881 S also start from $50. Some of them graded one or more, but non-graded one 45, 67, depends how much people are willing to pay for. But yeah, around $55, $50 you see, 45 plus shipping, so 50 bucks. and most of them, if you search them, they go for around $50, and that's what they told me at coin store. They start from $50 uncirculated ones. Okay, let's take it to coin store and sell it and see how much money they will actually give me. Hopefully it's a lot more than my calculation, but at least hopefully I'll break it even what I pay for, because it makes sense that it's actually pretty decent deal.